I want to eat that. Dad, can I eat that? No, daughter. Have another. But you know, now that I'm older, I can just make it myself. So let's make Kiki pie. So first, we're gonna get this butternut squash or kabocha and cut it into small cubes so that you can get a nice mash and steam for 15 minutes. You don't necessarily have to use butternut squash. Instead, don't use spaghetti squash and lead to a lot of disasters in the kitchen. Then, it's time to prepare that fish. I've tried making this a few times with various types of fish, including herring and sole, but I find that salmon ends up blending the best. Once the fish is almost cooked, add in your garlic and a little bit of butter before adding 1 cup of milk and simmer for another 10 minutes. Once your squash has been actually smushed, not in a hydraulic press, you can put it inside of your pan that's nicely oiled on the bottom layer. Casseroles are really nice when you want to eat 5 different things at once. When you can't decide, if you're an indecisive person, this is the perfect dish for you. We're going to make a nice bechamel sauce with 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, along with some nutmeg, pepper, and salt. Just make sure that you add the milk little by little once your butter flour mixture starts to smell a little bit like pastry. Put this bechamel sauce over top of your squash, onion, and fish mixture, and then cover it in cheese. Not too much though. If you add too much cheese, the pie crust will be soggy and then you'll be sad. Cut out your pie crust as well as your fish decoration. A smaller knife has a tendency to work a little bit better. And give it a nice egg wash mixed together with 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 egg. This should be enough to give you a nice golden brown crust. To the oven at 375 degrees until a nice golden brown. And voila! Delicious anime-style food from Kiki's Delivery Service.